In this video, I will show you how you can update the software of your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Software Update. Now before you tap on Check for Update, just make sure that your Samsung phone is connected to the internet. After you've done that, now just tap on Check for Update. As you can see, we have a software update available. Now just tap on Update Now or Update to update the software of your Samsung phone. And once the download process is completed, then select Restart Now. And after the restart process is completed, now if I go to the home screen and if we go back to the Settings app, from here just tap on Software Update. Now if you tap on Check for Update, as you can see, we have successfully updated our Samsung phone to the latest software version. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.